welcome. I'm Kay from klostweight.com. And if you're here, you've either purchased my weight loss guide online or you've downloaded my freebies after signing up for my mailing list. So let's talk about my meditation and 30-day weight loss meditation tracker. So I created this meditation and tracker because it was a huge part of my weight loss journey that helped me lose over 60 pounds. When I started meditating, I will be completely honest, it was really hard for me. Okay, I'll be super honest, it was annoying. I hated doing it. I didn't like it at all. I would start to think about my to-do list. I would think about, everything going on in my life. And sometimes I would even have major anxiety spirals. But I kept pushing through. I knew that it could change my life. And eventually your body, it may fight you at first, but eventually it will become easier and it becomes a habit. So each day you mark off that meditation tracker is a win for you. Because in the end, your mindset, in my opinion, is the foundation of everything. And it's the most important part of the transformation that's coming up for you. So let's talk a little bit about accessing the free meditation and using the tracker. All right. To access the free meditation, head over to klostweight.com. At the top of the website, click on free and then free resources. Next, use the password I sent after you signed up for my mailing list to sign in. Once you're in, scroll down and click on the meditation video and you're all set. The weight loss meditation tracker is simply to help you make meditating a habit, and it's one of the ways I achieved my weight loss. You'll just mark each day, and before you know it, you're at day 30. I'll be honest, when I first started meditating, it was tough, but I kept going and it's powerful. Now I use my sleep mask to block out distractions. Here I have on my headphones, but my sleep mask also has built-in headphones, and I use this option when meditating at night. To try them out, head to the top of my website, click on shop and go to my faves, scroll down and you'll find the exact sleep mask that I use. So I hope this video has been helpful. You can also find my weight loss affirmations here on my channel. It's open to everyone, and that definitely helped me reach my weight loss goal of over 60 pounds. I dive a lot more deeply into how I used the weight loss affirmations video, the meditations, and other confidence building things to help me reach my goal. Once again, you can download that guide on my website at klostweight.com. Make sure you don't forget to download my other free resources that you have access to. That includes my wellness and weight loss tracker, as well as the 10 weekly toning exercises I use to finally get the body of my dreams. And here on this channel, I actually demo all 10 exercises for you. So check out that YouTube playlist. I hope these freebies help you and really set you up for success. And I would love to hear from you. So please reach out to me on social media, on Instagram, YouTube, in the comments at klostweight.